Thank you for joining our warranty dynamic claiming video. In this video, we will cover what is dynamic claiming notes, and then we'll break down by the warranty types, first starting with standard parts claims, service parts claims, unit exchange, bulletin, and pre-authorization claims. So what is dynamic claiming? Dynamic claiming is a simplified view in the service bench system when entering a residential warranty claim. Dynamic claiming allows for less fields to be shown on the claim screen. The benefits include it saves time and effort from having to enter all fields. It mitigates save errors to process the claim, and it also simplifies the claim screen for new warranty admins to process. And there are many more benefits, as you'll see in the next slides. Dynamic claiming notes. The comments field can be found in the amount section in the summary page of the claim. If the wrong warranty type is entered initially, you may navigate back to the product section of the claim and change the warranty type. Commercial product claims and competitive equipment service parts claims will be presented in the classic claim view. After filling out the product information section and clicking continue, users can proceed to the summary tab if they choose to fill out as a classic claim. Moving on to our first warranty type, and this is our standard parts claim. First is our guided navigation. This feature will allow you to navigate to each section of the claim by using the tabs at the top of the screen or using the continue button at the bottom. 2 is the warranty type. The dynamic claim screen is based off the warranty type. 3, the additional reference and reference number may be used but is not a required field. The reference number will populate for you if it's not entered. The credit card and hold B functions are options if needed. Note, if there is an asterisk next to the field will need to be filled out before the claim can process. Moving on to our customer section in the standard parts claim. Dynamic claim allows you to restart the claim from scratch. It is easy as clicking the start over button in the bottom left-hand corner of the claim screen. Next is the navigation option, so you'll see the previous button populates on the screen. Next is the service detail section in the standard parts claim. The required fields will be the fail date and the repair date. Next is the part detail section in a standard claim. One notable is the failed part install date is not displayed on a standard claim and is only required on a service parts claim. Next is the quality information section. Select labor repair type if applicable and fill out the diagnosis by answering 3 questions to the best of your ability. Then select the defect code. The labor repair type, the diagnosis, and defect code are all required fields. Moving to the amount section, the comment section will be available at the bottom of the amount section screen if it is needed. Lastly, the summary page with the entire view of the claim. You can make any adjustments if necessary to any of the sections. The summary will also provide options at the bottom, including save, submit, start over, and delete claim. The next warranty type we will cover is service parts claims. In the product section, please enter the applicable information and be sure to select service parts as the warranty type. Next, in the customer section, the original equipment owner field will not display as it is not applicable for service parts claims. Moving to the service detail section, please enter the fail and repair date as they are required. Next, in the part details section, you'll notice the outline section titled Failed Part Install Date, and this is a required field on all service parts claims. Moving to the quality information section, since the labor repair type is not applicable to service parts, the field will not be shown. Required fields in this section are the diagnosis and defect code sections. Next, moving to the amount section, again, the comment section at the bottom will be viewable if necessary. And lastly, the summary or overview of the claim will be displayed. Moving on to our next warranty type, and that is going to be unit exchange. In the product section, you'll enter the applicable information with the selection of unit exchange as the warranty type. Next, in the customer section, please note the customer selection will populate on all claim types if the unit has been registered. If the unit is not registered, you will have to enter the owner's information on the fields provided. Next, in the service detail section, for a unit exchange warranty type, you will notice fields for the replacement serial number and model number that will be required. Moving to the part detail section. After selecting continue on the service detail section, the system will bypass the parts section and take you to the quality section since parts are not applicable for unit exchange. If you try to navigate back by using the tabs at the top of the part detail section, the section will be blank. Next, in the quality information, the diagnosis and defect codes will be required. Moving to the amount section, again, the comment box will display at the bottom, and you can fill it out if necessary. And the summary will give you the overview of the claim. Moving on to bulletin warranty type. In the product section, please fill out all the applicable information, selecting bulletin as the warranty type. Next, in the customer section, please fill out the equipment if it's not registered and select original equipment owner field, yes or no, as it is a required field. And next, in the service detail section, a bulletin number will be required in the field section. Please fill it out with the fail and repair date as it is required. If the bulletin is a replacement unit, the replacement serial and model will need to be filled out. Moving on to the parts section, since this example bulletin is a replacement unit, the parts section was left blank. If parts are applicable, please fill out all required fields. Next, in the quality information section, the diagnosis and defect code are required. Moving on to the amount section, the comment box will display at the bottom as needed. The summary will give you the overview of the bulletin claim. And our last warranty type is the pre-authorization. Please enter all applicable information by selecting the warranty type as pre-authorization. In the customer section, the registered owner will pre-fill if it has been registered. If not, please enter that information in there and select original equipment owner as yes or no. In the service details section, please enter the pre-authorization number that was given to you by the service manager in the field labeled bulletin/authorization number. If the pre-auth is a unit exchange, please enter replacement, serial, and model number. Next, in the part section, if it is applicable, please fill out the part section. Moving to the quality information section, required fields in this section are the diagnosis and defect code. Next, the amount section with a comment box at the bottom will display. And lastly, the summary section will you'll be able to edit any of the fields that you've entered and submit the claim.